Hello and namaste everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I'm going to make a 6 series of my 7 days yoga challenge. My first series was about power vinyasa flow. Second was about hatha yoga. Third was about back and hip. Fourth was about side and twisting, and fifth was about vinyasa flow. So today I'm going to make a 6-part and it based on arm and core strength. In this I will teach you that how you can make your arm and core stronger. But if you had not seen my first, second, third, fourth and fifth series, so please watch that also. I had given link in the description box, or click it on the I button. I had given link there also. So let's get started. So here we can start warm up with the variation of sun salutation. So first I come in the plank pose. You have to take the feet together, drop your knee, chest down, slowly inhale, look up, squeeze the hip. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Right leg, put it in between your palm. Inhale, raise the both arms straight and look up. Exhale, go back in plank. Drop your knee, chest down, no breath here. Inhale, look up. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Left leg, inhale, take both arms straight. Exhale, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down, no breath. Inhale, look up. Exhale, press down. Right leg, inhale, take your arms straight. Exhale, plank, contract your core. Drop your knee, chest down. Inhale, squeeze the hip, lift your rib cage up. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Left leg, inhale, take your arms straight. Last two. Exhale, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Right leg, inhale, look up. Exhale, feet together. Last round. Drop your knee, chest down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, press down. Left leg, inhale, take your both arms straight. And exhale. Okay. Now see, from this was the warm up. Now just you have to focus on your arm and core strength. So feet together first. Inhale, take a right leg up here, right arm straight, look up. Exhale, contract your core. Inhale, take a left arm straight and look up. Exhale, contract your core. Inhale, right arm straight. Exhale, contract your core. This you can do 10 count. Inhale, take a left arm straight. Exhale, contract your core. Inhale, right arms up, take it straight 90 degree. Exhale. Inhale, take a left arm straight. Exhale, last two. Inhale, right arms up. Exhale. Inhale, take a left arm straight. Exhale, one more. Inhale, take your arm straight. Exhale, left hand. Inhale, take a left arm straight and look up. And exhale. Now slowly have to take a feet little a gap here and go back in down dog. And hold it here for 5 breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. And slowly take your right leg forward here. Now warrior 1, just to relaxing your shoulder. Join your palm. Look up to your hand, or you can look straight also, just to relax the 6. In this position you have to just relax your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then back here. Now with only right leg. Inhale to your right arm straight, look up. Exhale, touch your right knee to the elbow, contract your core. Inhale, right leg straight, look up. Exhale, touch your right knee to the elbow. Inhale, right arm straight. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right arm straight. Exhale, contract your core. Inhale. Exhale, last two. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, last. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly down dog and hold it here for again 5 breaths. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 2. And 1. Now inhale with the left leg, warrior 1. Just to relax the shoulder. Hold here. 1. Look up or just to look straight. 2. This is only for relaxation. 3. Come on, 4. And 5. Now exhale. Now change your leg, left leg. Inhale, to the left arm straight. Exhale, touch your knee to the elbow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left leg straight. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, you can do this 5 to 6 repetitions. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, take it up here. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale, take the left arm straight. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now slowly just press the heel on the mat. Again hold it here for 5 breaths. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. And inhale, now slowly jump here. Now you have to just take a knee, little gap here, join your palm, look up and hold here. This is also again just for relaxation. Hold 1. Take normal breathing. 2. Come on, 3. 4 and 5. Now we work on the core. Okay, now I show you 3 exercises for the core, but if you're having neck pain or back pain, so don't do. So you have to first go down here like this, then just interlock your finger. Inhale. Exhale. Touch your both knee to the elbow. Inhale. Take it head fully down and leg 20 degree, toes out. Exhale. Only 10 down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Breathe out. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. And hold here for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slowly you have to just drop your head down, bend your knee and relax here for a few breaths. Okay, now second exercise. Now you have to raise your both hands above your head and you have to take your leg 90 degrees here. Inhale. Exhale. So take a leg 90 degree and just lift up. Inhale. Again 20 degree, hands and leg. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Contract your core. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. Exhale 7.
Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, exhale 9. One more. Inhale, exhale 10. And slowly you have to just hug your knee here. Okay, now I show you one more exercise. Now seeing that, you have to take both legs here, touch your right elbow to the left knee and left elbow to the right knee. You have to move it faster here. Only 20 count. 1, 2, 3, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, exhale. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And relax. You have to inhale and exhale. Now slowly keep your both hands beside your waist. Then you have to slowly inhale in your lungs. Exhale. You have to just take your abdomen in and try to touch your lower back on the mat. Inhale in your lungs. Exhale. Okay. Now after this, in the end, we will do just one time wheel pose to stretch your core muscles. So inhale, take it up here, and exhale. You have to just stretch your core. Take it up here, and slowly go down. Again. Okay. Now see, these are a few exercises to make your arm and core to increase your strength. Okay, so try this, but if you're having high blood pressure or having neck pain or back pain, so don't do. So keep practicing, stay fit, see you in the next video. Thank you.